How can your Jesuïtes Educació-UOC tutor help you? They'll guide you and provide advice to help you fit your course load to your availability. They'll help you settle into and get used to your new online environment. They'll explain what the cicle formativo is and how the tutor's classroom works, and will provide you with a full range of resources to make a good start to the semester. They'll offer you advice on how to approach your activities, information about procedures and resources for career guidance, and more. Over the academic year, they'll post relevant information in the announcements section of the tutor's classroom. They'll help you deal with any doubt you might have about your program. Over the different stages of your training program, your tutor will personally keep track of your learning process, give you professional guidance and advice on your academic pathway, taking into account your interests, expectations, and professional goals. As well as your academic tutor, once you have enrolled in the module, you will also have a tutor in the workplace where you do your internship, helping you through this stage of your learning. With your tutor there supporting you, you'll always have someone you can turn to.